How's it going, everybody? Today we are going to talk about signs of a bad wheel bearing. Dangers of a wheel bearing going out. Well, aside from causing wobbling, the fact that it does cause wobbling or bouncing up and down will cause accelerated wear on your other suspension parts, such as your struts, tie rod ends, ball joints, that general area. Also, in the worst case scenario that a wheel bearing completely explodes, your wheel can just come completely disattached from your hub. So I'm going to give you guys a couple signs on what to listen for and everything. You can probably hear right now the humming sound. So the main signs you're going to look for is that humming sound. You'll hear it more predominantly in your middle range speeds, like between 35 and 40. Once you get up to about 60, that's when you start noticing the shaking. If you can see my steering wheel shaking a little bit. You can also tell when you're pitching different sides of the road. You can hear it more predominantly on the side that's worse or bad. So basically, those are the main signs you want to look for. You'll feel the mild hopping, like you can't really see my steering wheel shaking too much. Mine's not that bad. But the first thing you're going to listen for is that humming sound. But you can probably hear it over everything. I'm pretty sure my fronts are bad. I haven't checked yet. Also, you can check too, jacking up the front of your vehicle or rear, whichever wheel bearings you're looking at. And taking your tire after it's free spinning and spin it around and listen for noise. You'll hear humming, or you'll hear grinding or a scraping sound. You can also check for play. You want to shake the tire left to right, almost like you're looking for tie rod end play. But sometimes you can feel play in the hub from the bearing, because it's a really big sealed bearing. It's like, for my style press-in wheel bearings, they're really thick, and they're thick sealed bearings, like about that wide. Now, old style bearings where you pack with grease and everything will still have pretty much the same signs. You'll get shaking, you'll get the humming noise, and like I said, no one's behind me. You can hear it a lot better at about 40 miles an hour, for me at least. So basically, that's the main things you want to look for. And whenever you have a wheel bearing beginning to go out, it's not one of those things you just want to kind of wait a while on. You should get it replaced as soon as possible, especially if you do a lot of highway driving, because if you do drive it too long, there is the chance it could explode. And if it does explode, it can leave you stranded on the road, or you can crash your vehicle. And it's a little easier to spend a little bit of money than costing a lot in catastrophic failure. So, if you have a feeling your wheel bearing's going out, remember to look for those signs, remember to listen for the sounds, and thank you for watching.